abande gosega emura kunga ngainatiga chinyomba chiane ngainatiga obogambi eligwa kure bwa musie nkoera bore abo ngainatiga bande barabori ngainatiga abakungu abakonya na atwarira abangeiga njire yoso ate nyomba soire nyomba wese kube ngomonene ngaina akora gento kieke ngaibatigara. You look on this man, what they are saying, they are giving us the assurity that someday we will do what? We will die. That is Napoleon. By some account, Napoleon, he had a genuine conversion to Christianity, but we will have to wait heaven to know if these words that he will resurrect again. Because you know Napoleon, how he fought, how he conquered. He was a powerful man, but he said, I have died before time. Karo omenyete no moro kuru hibebelio montoko na gotigelio boremo boire onsugetio boremo. Other men are giving land to build the church. Anoro kuna gosukio moro nore na kamoro kuru okoyeke na agu kwana koege kaligo chumono mumuromi no buna kamenyeta masamba atayo ekereka koirana ago chakanyoro bole mobonga noro meme obwato bole moboisaine. When other men count that this one is not important, we have a share for God and for his kingdom. We have a place that God has prepared for us, a land where we will never die, a land where we will never grow old, a land where we will never part. We will live together forever. Onyamwa ukanga mwateba mina. Ina singe njono mosiki moko igwa yi moko igwa.